What is going on YouTube? Meet my nemesis, the sugar baby watermelon. And I call him my nemesis because I swear to God, this is one of the hardest things to tell if it's ripe, right? There's all sorts of things you're supposed to check for. The plunk test. Does it have a spot on the bottom? Is the tendril dried up over here, etc. And the only way that I've actually had this work for me is by looking at the vine, and I'm talking about the vine section that's right here along. Let me kind of see if I can get close and zoom in. So you'll notice here that vine's starting to get pretty cracked up. It's drying up. It's not completely dried up. I've got this tendril, right? That is one sign, but that's not the entire sign. You've got that little spot there. Yeah, so that sucker, that's generally the way that I look for what what I'm looking for, because otherwise I failed, right? The plunk test, I don't know, like people say, oh, you should be able to feel the vibrations through your hand, and it sounds like a plunk and not a tank and all this other stuff. But anyway, enough yapping. Let's cut it open and see if I got it right. And I got it right. So if you grow in containers where you're not going to get a ground spot, wait for that dang vine on the very end, right, to start cracking. That way you know your watermelon's going to be ripe. Generally you look at it, you'll say, hey, it stopped growing, my tendrils dried up. Good success. So hopefully that little tip will help you out. Everybody seems to rely on the ground spot. It doesn't work for me. I rely on the vine. Hey, this method works for me. If you've never subscribed, please consider doing so you're aware when new content is made. I appreciate you stopping by. Don't forget to like, and we'll see you around. Have a great day.